advisory now in effect until 4 a.m. Friday. Locations: Eastern Long Island and coastal southeast Connecticut. Hazards: strong wind gusts. Winds southwest 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour. Timing: highest winds starting early evening. Impacts: the strong winds could bring down tree limbs. Isolated power outages may occur. Driving will be difficult, especially in high-profile vehicles and on elevated roads. Unsecured outdoor items may also be blown about. For the following areas in New York, Northwest Suffolk and Southwest Suffolk, wind advisory remains in effect until 4 a.m. Friday. Locations: Central Long Island. Hazards: strong wind gusts. Winds southwest 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Timing: highest winds late this afternoon and tonight. Gusts may decrease at times during mid to late afternoon as a steady sea breeze develops, but should then resume tonight. Impacts: the strong winds could bring down tree limbs. Isolated power outages may occur. Driving will be difficult, especially in high-profile vehicles and on elevated roads. Unsecured outdoor items may also be blown about. For the following areas in Connecticut: Southern Fairfield, Southern New Haven, Northern Fairfield, Northern New Haven, Northern Middlesex and Northern New London, and the following areas in New Jersey: Western Passaic, Eastern Passaic, Hudson, Western Bergen, Eastern Bergen, Western Essex, Eastern Essex, Western Union and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York: Orange, Putnam, Rockland, Northern Westchester, Southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, Southern Queens and Southern Nassau. Wind advisory now in effect until midnight tonight. Locations: Northeast New Jersey, New York City, the lower Hudson Valley of Southeast New York, and interior Southern and Southwest Connecticut. Hazards: strong wind gusts. Winds southwest 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Timing: highest winds later this afternoon and early this evening. Impacts: the strong winds could bring down tree limbs. Isolated power outages may occur. Driving will be difficult, especially in high-profile vehicles and on elevated roads. Unsecured outdoor items may also be blown about.